Hi, I'm Dr. Keith Graham from the School of Teacher Education at National Taiwan Normal University. Welcome to this video series for the Practice in Bilingual Teaching course. In this first video of the series, we are going to talk about the preparation stage of a bilingual lesson. For those of you taking my on-campus course, you should already know that a typical bilingual lesson in Taiwan has 3 stages: the preparation stage, the development stage, and the summary stage. You should also have a general idea that each of these stages is driven by the lesson's objective. So, let's talk about the first stage of a typical lesson, the preparation stage. The preparation stage targets students' background knowledge in relation to the lesson objective. Put another way, we want to guide our students to think about or practice things they already know, either from life experiences or from previous classes in school. To give you a very simple elementary example, let's say our objective is students will be able to solve addition problems with single and double-digit integers. For example, 21 plus 5. The teacher of this math class would know that students will have already learned how to solve addition problems with 2 single-digit integers. An example of this would be 3 plus 4. The ability to solve these single-digit addition problems is, of course, a prerequisite for the slightly more complicated double-digit, single-digit problems. So our goal in the preparation stage is to bring that background knowledge to the forefront of students' minds and allow them some time to practice it as a brief reminder of what they already know. In terms of lesson time, this stage is brief. My estimate is it would be around 6 to 8 minutes, and most certainly would not exceed 10 minutes. We simply want to give students a brief opportunity to consider what they already know before they engage with new knowledge. Now, how you do this very much depends on what subject you teach and what type of background knowledge you are targeting. As I mentioned earlier, background knowledge might be related to life experiences or related to previously learned knowledge and skills in school. In instances where you want to target life experiences, you may provide students with a prompt or scenario and ask them to share their experiences. In this case, you might facilitate a think, pair, share activity where students think about their experiences, discuss their experiences in pairs or small groups, and then share the discussion with the entire class. You could also do variations of this, such as think, write, pair, share, where students write down their ideas, or think, draw, pair, share, where images are used to represent experiences and facilitate discussion. In other cases, when you are targeting previous learning in school, your approach will vary based on subject. For example, in subjects like math, you may simply give students a few example problems of the previously learned concept. You could facilitate this through a think, solve, pair, share, where students first compare and discuss answers with a partner before sharing the answer with the class. In other subjects, you may want to use an anticipation guide. An anticipation guide is where students first answer a series of true-false questions about a topic in a before column. Then, throughout the lesson, they have the opportunity to confirm or change their answers by using the after column. Another low prep but effective preparation stage activity is to provide students with a topic or a series of keywords about that topic and allow them to do a quick write on what they know about that topic or those words. This can follow a think, write, pair, share sequence. The preparation stage activities I shared here are generic and likely can be applied across many subjects, but it is very likely that your subject has specific ways it targets students' background knowledge. If you are unsure about ways to do this, I recommend talking with another teacher who teaches your subject or consulting with a subject professor for ideas. For those of you taking my on-campus course, let's now talk about the specifications for your first teaching demonstration. Your demonstration should be around 6 minutes long. Please be sure to practice your timing before class. I will cut you off at 6 minutes to ensure that all students have a chance to do their demonstrations. At the beginning of the demonstration, please be sure to clearly state your lesson objective and the grade level the lesson is for. During the 6 minutes, you should facilitate one activity to target background knowledge. Remember, it is only 6 minutes, so you should not try to do multiple activities in one demonstration. This is not a full lesson. During the activity, you should provide comprehensible English input and facilitate student English output. Finally, your activity should engage all students for 90 to 100% of the time. I should not see your classmates, who will act as your students, sitting passively during your demonstration. Now, if you are in a section of the course where assignments are done with a partner due to class size, you and your partner should be leading the demonstration for approximately an equal amount of time. I should not see one partner leading and the other taking a background role for the entire demonstration. If you have any questions about this assignment, please send me an email or arrange a time to meet with me during office hours. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to your demonstrations.